In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Upstream O2 sensor on your Ford Taurus. This one is located behind the engine, below your intake. Using an 8mm socket or wrench, you're going to disconnect your negative battery terminal. Loosen it, and then put it off to the side. Make sure it's not touching any metal. All right, so we're going to disconnect our connector by pushing down on this tab on the other side of this, and then pulling. Sometimes if you get a little screwdriver in there, it helps. Okay, so once you have that disconnected, you can free it up. And now we can use our special tool, which is one of these or one of these. And what that does is it allows the wire to be there while you take it out. Okay, so I'm going to use my tool to get down in there. Place it over your O2 sensor like that. A lot of times these need to be heated up to loosen. All right, so while this is hot, I'm going to try to loosen this up. Okay. Okay, I'm going to let that cool off, knowing that it's pretty loose at this point. And when it cools off completely, I'm going to take it out. Okay, so your new O2 sensor is going to have a little plastic cap on it. You're going to want to take that off. I'm going to reach down, place it in. Let go of the wire and hand tighten it in. Okay, once you have that hand tightened, you're going to get your tool. This time I'm going to use the other tool so you guys can see how to use that one. And I can get an extension in there with a ratchet or a torque wrench. All right, so we have our tool set up. I have an extension, and now I have my torque wrench set for 34 foot-pounds. And we're going to tighten this down. Okay, so we're there. Now we can remove our tool. Okay, so now we can reconnect our O2 sensor. I'm going to, this is a little bit shorter of a cord, it looks like. So we're going to come around this way. Okay, our O2 sensor cord was a little shorter than the original, so I disconnected it from this harness, and I'm just going to secure it with a zip tie after we connect it. So you're going to match it up. Push it in, listen for the click, and you're good. So now I'm gonna put this harness like this on top, and I'm gonna zip tie here and here to hold it secure. I'm gonna start in the back. I always go for the harder one first. Relocation is crucial, not to be near anything hot, like that heater hose down there. So we're going to make sure that this harness is away from that. All right, I'm going to reroute my O2 sensor wire back here. Feed it through this harness, around it, should I say. Like that. and you can pull it tight. We'll cut the excess off after. I'm going to put another zip tie on the top here. Okay, now you can reconnect your battery, start the vehicle, see if it runs okay, take it for a road test. You're going to take your negative battery terminal and put it on, push it down, and use an 8mm socket. And tighten it wrist tight, make sure it's not moving, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.